Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A51, and today I will show you how you can improve face unlock speed. You have to go for the settings, find biometrics and the security, and then go for the face recognition. So if you want to unlock your phone faster, at the first I recommend you to turn off this option. Stay on the lock screen until swipe. When your face will be recognized, and when you turn off this option, you don't have to swipe with your finger, your phone will be already unlocked. Next, here we get the faster recognition. Let's turn it on. Here we get the description that is less secure and video or image could be recognized as our face, but honestly I try a few times to trick that recognition, but there's no way to trick it with video or image, so you don't have to be afraid. Also, you can turn off require open eyes, and you can turn on to bright screen in dark scenario, and after that definitely you'll unlock your phone faster with the face unlock option. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.